This model kit review is of the Honda CBR1000RR-R. This is the Fireblade version, the 30th anniversary, and it is a 1/12 scale model. These are all the different features of the model. It is by Tamiya, and they have decals from Cartograph. Got some beautiful box art here. Here's a picture of the model from the sides and front. And the pictures there, there's the dimensions, and these are the decals. So let's have a look inside. First of all, let's have a look at our glass, beautifully molded. There's our windshield. We've got lights. These are looks like wheels for the, that's probably for the stand. We've got headlights and probably mirrors there. Let's have a look here. Okay, here we have the frame with tremendous detail and beautifully molded, very crisp and clean. Got some little wings here. Looks like probably part of our underneath the seat there. Got a grill, part of our handlebars here, the top of the fork there, and that is the top of the fork there, it looks like. And we've got our handles there with brake levers, just beautifully molded. Part of our, I guess, part of the engine, top of the engine there, and then some other body parts there. Okay, here we've got our wheels, very large rear wheel and smaller front wheel. Our disc brakes that are pre-drilled, that's beautiful, look at that. Here's the front fork, some parts around the back, I guess some cooling there, some engine parts here, and there's our seat and side mirrors. There's the rear brake disc, also pre-drilled. That really is just absolutely beautiful. Okay, this one here, this is molded in grey. I don't really understand why. If you have to paint it, there's no point in molding in different colours, but whatever. We've got the engine parts here, very, very well molded, beautiful. Our radiator there. Here is the chain, and some levers and so on. Here's our exhaust system here. There's the muffler, and that's interesting. It's actually molded as hollow from the side, so there must have been a part of the mold that went inside there. But this is just absolutely amazing. Here is the body panels, the cowling and so on. We've got our, there's the fuel tank there, and the various cowls and body panels there. There's another one there. They're just they're perfect shape. Everything is smooth, crisp, nice edges, no flashing or mold lines. Okay, and then we've got the wheels or tires. We've got some pins, screws, lots of screws. There's a screwdriver, some tubing, different thicknesses, and then our spring for that rear swing arm. Here are our decals, nicely printed. On the back here we've got some masks, and then also our side mirrors. So let's have a look here. This is, oh wow, that's the paint and decal guide. And here are the reference images of the actual bike. lot of detail here. That is a beautiful bike. And here are the details about this particular bike. That's the English version. So, wow, that is beautiful. Okay, let's have a look at our instructions here. These are the colors needed. And there's the engine being built. More engine parts there. Next page here is some tubing going on, as well as the throttle body. We start to put the engine, sorry, the bike frame together. That's built around the around this very large engine. Screws are used there to hold that together. And then that's the rear fender. Okay, that's the rear lights there, and then tubing cut to that length. Next page here, we're starting to put together the stand. And these are the, I'm not sure why they're clear wheels if you're painting the whole thing. Okay, now we're putting together the rear damper and the swing arm. And attaching our chain, drive sprockets. Here's the rear wheel with brakes and brake calipers. Then we're going to put that onto the swing arm on the chassis with a frame. There's the stand, some pedals, exhaust pipes, more exhaust pipes, and a muffler. So that's all then mounted to the engine. There's the radiator. And here are the headlights. Then we've got our front wheel with brakes on the front. Huge brakes. There's the front fork with the fender going on. And then we've got brake calipers as well as the tubing there. And there's our handlebar. Attached to the front fork as well as the display panel there, or instrument panel. There's the air intake. Here's the handlebars going on. And then well, some body parts panels going on there, air ducts and so on. There's the fuel tank with the front cowl being built with the windshield, the side cowling, under cowl, really lots and lots of different pieces here. Fuel tank goes on there. Now we start to put all those pieces on, the body pieces, cowling and so on. There's the seat going on. And there's the side cowl. That's the other side. And the front. And the winglets. Okay, here are the side mirrors. And then the stand and all the other little pieces there. License plate parts. And that's the final part. So it's pearl white base with red and metallic brush, or blue, metallic blue brush dye accents. There really is a phenomenal model, tremendous amount of detail, beautifully molded, typical Tamiya quality.